Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Tutors. আজি আমি ক্লাস 12 ইংলিশ বিষয়ৰ এই পোয়েম এ থিং অফ বিউটি তাৰ গোটেইবোৰ কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ ইয়াত লৈ আহিছো। তোমালোকে ভিডিওটো চাই ৰাখিবা। এতিয়া আমি সকলোবোৰ কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ ইয়াত ডিসকাস কৰিম। এই পোয়েমটো আমাৰ লিখিছিল জন কিটছ নামৰ পোয়েটে। এতিয়া আমি ভিডিওটো আৰম্ভ কৰিম। বড় আহক। Hello guys, now I am going to discuss the poem of class 12, A Thing of Beauty. The first question is, list the things of beauty mentioned in the poem, or mention any 4 things of beauty that add joy to life. The answer is, every little or big thing of nature is a thing of beauty and a source of pleasure. The sun, the moon, trees, old and young, the daffodils flowers are all things of beauty. So are small streams with clear water, mass of farms, and the blooming marks roses. They are constant source of joy and pleasure. Second question is, list the thing that cause suffering and pain. The answer is, there are many things that cause human suffering and pain. The biggest source of suffering is our malice and disappointment. The lack of noble qualities is another. Our unhealthy and evil ways also give birth to so many troubles and sufferings. They depress our spirits. They are like a pall of sadness over our lives. The third one is, what does the line therefore are we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to earth suggest to you? The answer is, John Keats is a sensuous poet. He is firmly attached to the endless beauty of the earth. The link of man with nature is constant and unbroken. The things of beauty are like wreaths of beautiful flowers. We seem to wreath a flowery band that keeps us attached to the beauties of this earth. This is the third questions. Now we are discuss the 4. What makes human beings love in life spite of troubles and sufferings, or what makes human beings love life in spite of all troubles they face? The answer is, so many things bring troubles and sufferings. They depress our spirits, but some shape of beauty brings love and happiness in spite of such unpleasant things. A thing of beauty removes all pall of sadness and sufferings from our lives. It makes human beings love one another. The 5 number question is, why is grandeur associated with the mighty dead, or why does Keats associate grandeur with the mighty dead? The answer is, Keats associates the mighty dead with grandeur and beauty. Our ancestors were powerful and mighty. They had unquenchable spirits. Their mighty and heroic deeds are preserved in their tales of grandeur and heroism. Their heroic act reflected their grandeur. Their acts of bravery and grandeur reflected their physical and spiritual beauty. The sixth number question is, do we experience things of beauty only for short moments, or do they make a lasting impression on us? The answer is John Keats makes it clear in the very first line of this poem. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. It is a constant source of joy, nor does its beauty decrease. Its loveliness goes on increasing every moment. Its value remains undiminished. It never passes into nothingness. It it also it always it always removes the pall of sadness that covers our dark spirits. Seven number question is, what image does the poet use to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth? The answer is John Keats uses various images to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth. The beauty of the earth like is an endless fortune. Sorry, it's my printing mistake. It's not a bounty, it is a beauty. This endless fountain of immortal drink constantly pour from the heaven into our hearts. The beauty of daffodils, rills, musk, roses has been described using very subjective and sensuously rich images. Now we are discussing short answer type questions. Number one, how is a thing of beauty a joy forever? Or what does a thing of beauty do for us? The answer is John Keats, a great romantic poet, considers that a thing of beauty is a joy forever. It is a constant source of happiness and pleasure. Its loveliness increases every moment. A thing of beauty is never devalued. It never passes into nothingness. Number two, how does a thing of beauty keep a bower quiet for us? The answer is Keats is a rich in sensuous imagery. Nature provides us with things of rare beauty. A pleasant place in the shade under a tree provides us a quiet bower. Similarly, a thing of beauty transports us to peace and security. We enjoy a sleep full of dreams, health and peace. Three number question is, how do we bind us to the earth every morning? The answer is, like all romantic poets, Keats stretches the unbreakable bond of man with nature and the earth. The beauties of the earth fascinate man. Every object of nature is a source of beauty and happiness. Every day we are waving a wreath through these beautiful things. This flowery band binds us with the earth. The four number question is, what rich beauty has the heaven gives us? The answer is nature is a constant source of happiness and joy. It provides us with things of rare beauty that enhance our joys and pleasures of life. The sun, the moon, trees, streams, and flowers constitute the rich beauty that the heaven has given to us. These things of beauty are like wreaths of beauty flowers. They keep us firmly attached to the endless beauty of the earth. Now we are discussing the question number 5. What are the things that give suffering and sadness to man? A man himself is the root cause of his woes. We suffer from malice and distress. Unfortunately, we lack human qualities and it makes us inhuman. Our life becomes gloomy. We cultivate unhealthy and evil ways. All such things bring misery and sufferings to man. Six number question is, in the hot season, how do man and beast get comfort? The answer is, nature is a constant source of joy and pleasure. Every manifestation of nature brings endless comforts and joys to man. Streams, trees, and plants provide manifold comfort and pleasures. The small streams with cool and clear water and the blooming flowers and plants protect man and beast in the scorching heat of the summer season. Flowers and shady places give comforts to man and beast. The seventh question is, how is the pall of despondence moved away from our dark spirit? The answer is, man makes his life miserable by his own nature and actions. He faces miseries and pains. Amid these miseries and sufferings, a thing of beauty provides the only hope to humanity. A thing of beauty works wonders. It is a joy forever. It removes all the pall of despondence and sadness from our dark spirit. The eighth number question is, name the things of nature that are constant source of beautiful beauty. The answer is, the beauties of nature are endless. The sun, the moon, trees, old and young, beautiful daffodils, flowers, green surrounding are some of such beautiful things. Similarly, small streams of clear water, green farms, thickets, and musk roses are some other things of beauty. All such things of beauty are constant source of joy for us. The 9 number question is, what is the source of the endless fountain and what is its effect? The answer is, the beauties of nature know no limits. Nature is an eternal source of joy to mankind, a fountain of eternal joy and immortality pours into the heart and soul of man. It flows and pours right from the heavens brink. Now we discussing the 10 non questions. What is the message that John Keats wants to give through a thing of beauty? It is the most important questions. The answer is, the very first line of the poem conveys the message of the poet. John Keats was a worshipper of beauty. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Beauty never fades. nor it is devalued. It never passes into nothingness. A thing of beauty removes all the pale pall of sadness and sorrows and gives us joy and pleasure. So these are the questions answers. Hope you are like it, and if you don't mind, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and do like, comment and share.